Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name's Jene and we have two unbaggings to do. One comes from Archer's Art and the other comes from Diamond Penz. So let's take a look at this bag first and then we'll take a look at the smaller bag. So I hope everyone is having an awesome day today. It is December 19th, and I can't believe that Christmas is just around the corner. So I hope everybody is excited and ready for Christmas. Okay, so we have two bags in a bag here, and what these are 3 diamond painting trays and 1 diamond separator. So we're going to go ahead and open the big bag first and take a look at what's inside this one. I am one of those last minute Christmas shoppers, although I really don't go gung-ho in spending because my oldest boy lives in Ontario and my youngest boy is in the States. So basically it's just getting them a Christmas card and a gift card so that they can purchase whatever they want for Christmas, and that way I don't have to guess. Sometimes buying for young males, it's not always the easiest thing to do. So we're going to go ahead and open this one first because there's something inside that, and I believe it's most likely the drill separator. So let's take a look at this one first. I'm really excited. Ooh, wow, that's a pretty color. Wow. Okay, so here is the tray, and it looks like it's in really good shape. I'm just going to bring this up just a little bit so you can take a look at it. Really pretty tray, very deep. And the spout here, this is one of the reasons why I wanted to buy this, because of this spout. They also have this, which I'm assuming stands for Archer's Art. It's really pretty, guys. It's very lightweight, very deep. I love the ridges in here. Really nice tray. Now, I was inspired to purchase this from Island Girl DP Journal. I watched one of her videos a few weeks back, and she had purchased a couple of these trays, and I thought, you know, I really want to get these trays because I get a little aggressive when I shake my drills, and even with the big white trays, I find that my drills kind of, you know, jump out. So this will work out perfectly. So thank you to Island Girl DP Journal. You are the one that inspired me to get this beautiful tray, and also this, which I will show you in just a second. The nice thing about this is it was on sale when I purchased it. So I got 3 of them. And they're all the same color, so I'm not going to open up these two on camera. But I will tell you this. I am 6 subscribers away from 300, and one of these trays will be for the free giveaway. So just keep that in mind, that one of these trays will be for the 300 subscriber giveaway. And I'm going to go over a couple of other items that will also be included in that free giveaway. So there's that. Now we're going to take a look at this, which is a drill separator. And it says drill grinder directions. Pour diamonds into grinder tray and shake into grooves. Place grinder lid over diamonds. Gently twist until diamonds are separated. Do not press down. That's it. Happy drilling. Well, that was nice. Okay, so there it is. So now I have a drill separator. Yay! And it matches the tray. Okay, so we're just going to put that off to the side. And now we are going to open this bag. This is, again, a pin that came from Diamond Penz off of Facebook. So let's take a look and see this pin in here. Now this pin will also be part of my 300 subscriber giveaway. So it comes with, I think that's it, yeah. It comes with the 2 different size separators. So you got a small and a medium. And you also get a 3-placer, I think that's a 9-placer, and a 6-placer. And here is the pin. So let's look at this. Oh, wow. Yeah. So here is the pin. It's a really nice marbled purple. It's got a little bit of pink in it as well. Very nice pin, everyone. So if you're looking for a really nice acrylic pin, Diamond Penz is an excellent place to purchase those pins. They also do wood pins as well. So everyone, I'm just going to grab one more pin here. So these are the 2 pins that will be in the 300 subscriber giveaway. And you'll get all of the accessories for your pins and also the tray. So there's going to be 3 winners. One winner will get the tray and the other 2 winners will get the pins. Now, once I hit that 300 subscriber mark, I will do a video going over the details of how to win those pins and the tray, and to give everyone the opportunity to participate in that free giveaway. So everyone, that is all I have tonight to show you. Again, the diamond trays and the drill separator comes from Archer's Art, which I will have linked down below in the description. And the pins come from Diamond Penz off of Facebook. And that I will also include in the description below if you're interested in taking a look. So everyone, if you like the video, please give it that thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you didn't like the video, I totally understand. But if you can kindly go down to the comments below and let me know what you didn't like about the video, that way it helps me improve my videos in the future. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join the family. Also, don't forget to hit the bell that's right next door to that subscribe button. That bell will indicate when I've uploaded my next video. So everyone, by saying that, if it's morning for you, have a pleasant morning. If it's afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if it's evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name's Jene, and thank you for joining me tonight on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Bye, everyone.